evaluate the limit. The limit of sine of 2 theta divided by the sine of 3 theta as theta approaches 0. If we use direct substitution, we'll have the sine of 2 times 0, which is 0, and the sine of 0 is 0. And then in the denominator, if we use direct substitution, we'll get 3 times 0, which is 0, and the sine of 0 is 0. So we have a 0 over 0 indeterminate form. Because that is the case, we can't use direct substitution and we have to try to manipulate it. So we're going to start by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 1 over theta. And 1 over theta divided by 1 over theta is equal to 1, so it's not going to change the value of the function that we have here. So after multiplying both the top and bottom by 1 over theta, we have the limit as theta approaches 0 of sine of 2 theta divided by theta divided by sine of 3 theta divided by theta. All right, so we also know that the limit of sine a theta over a theta as theta approaches 0 is equal to 1. So this a value, or in the numerator 2 and the denominator 3, is what we're going to multiply both of those by. So we're going to multiply the top by 2 over 2 and the bottom by 3 over 3. So now we have the limit as theta approaches 0 of 2 times the sine of 2 theta divided by 2 theta over 3 times the sine of 3 theta over 3 theta. And now what we have here is we have these sine of a thetas. So we have the sine of 2 theta over 2 theta, which is equal to 1, and the sine of 3 theta over 3 theta, which is equal to 1. So we have the limit as theta approaches 0 of 2 times 1 over 3 times 1, which is equal to the limit of 2/3 as theta approaches 0, which is equal to 2/3, or answer choice B.